Hello Dot Clubbers, it's Talia and I'm here for July's Dot Club unboxing video. I can't wait to see them and open them up with you, so go grab your Dot Club box and let's unbox them together. If you're watching this and you've not received your dots yet, that's okay. They're on their way, but you can pause this video and wait if you want it to be a surprise because I will be showing them on camera and I don't want you to miss out on the surprise if you wanted it to be when you opened it up for the first time, when it was in your hands. So make sure to pause it if you don't want the surprise to be ruined. This month we had a color choice between orange and lime green. It was kind of a citrus vibe, so I'm very excited to see what's in here. So let's get into the unboxing. So I'm going to start with this box. I'm not sure what color's in here. And we have that fun ride along card. It says, have a lovely day. I hope you're having a lovely day. I always think these are so cute and so encouraging. Then on the back, we always have a promotion schedule showing all of the upcoming events in Style Dots, so you don't have to miss out on any of the fun coming up. And so make sure to add these to your calendar so you don't miss out on anything that is coming in the next few weeks. Let me get to the dot. I'm so excited to see it. Okay, so I opened up the lime green color. You're gonna love it. It's so gorgeous. You ready? Look how beautiful this is. Let me put dot vision on so we can get that closer look. I love the color green and I like how earthy this looks. It's like a pastel lime green with those AB crystals going to the center of that giant crystal. And I think it's just absolutely stunning. It's going to be a lot of fun to wear and just kind of creates an earthy tone that I think will be great for the summertime and even going into fall, just creating some really fun, unique outfits. So I can't wait to see what you guys do with these. If you got this color, definitely show me the looks you create with them. I think it's gorgeous. I love that color. I love that green. So that means this one's the orange one. So let's see what's in here. So again, we have that have a lovely day ride along card with the schedule on the back. Let's see these orange. Oh my goodness. I think you're gonna love them. Look how gorgeous they are. I love big pops of color. Let me put dot vision on. Big pops of color. So I feel like this is just really fun statement. And you can wear it with more of a neutral tone and let this really like stand out. I think it's so much fun. It reminds me of like definitely like an orange, but also a lot like sunshine with like sunbeams shooting out of the center with that crystal and all of the sparkles and those AB crystals going down the sides. I think it's gonna be so much fun. This is something you can wear in the summertime or in the fall. I love this one. It's so much fun. And I'm very excited to wear them. So I'm gonna put them up side by side so you can get like an idea of what they look like together. Look how fun they are. This month is just amazing. I'm really excited to wear these. So you did great whichever color you picked because they're both amazing like always. And I can't wait to see how you guys style them. And if you're watching this and you're not an active Dot Club member, it's time to join the club. There is so many benefits to being a part of Dot Club, like exclusive dots at your door every month, plus bonuses and sales just for Dot Club members, and an amazing community of people that are just cheering each other on and talking all things style dots. Also, who couldn't use more exclusive dots? So make sure to join the club so not to miss out on any more months of Dot Club. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!